OCode AI is a revolutionary new AI tool, and in this review, I'll be sharing the 7 most crucial things you need to know about this game-changing software that was just released. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or just an AI enthusiast, this is definitely one you'll want to pay attention to, and stick around till the end because I'll be sharing my personal recommendations for the best AI tools after testing thousands of them. First things first, what exactly is OCode AI? Well, it's a platform designed to make building AI-powered applications incredibly easy, even if you have no coding experience. It's meant to be a powerful tool for both businesses and creators looking to automate tasks, analyze data, or create custom AI solutions for their specific needs. One of the standout features of OCode AI is its no-code interface. That means anyone, regardless of technical background, can use it. You don't need to hire developers or spend countless hours learning how to code. You can build your own AI models and integrate them into your workflows in just a few clicks. Another thing you'll love is the variety of pre-built templates. OCode AI comes packed with a bunch of ready-to-go solutions that you can customize and start using immediately. Whether you need to automate your customer service with chatbots, generate content for social media, or analyze large sets of data, OCode AI has something for you. In terms of ease of use, the drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to build anything from basic automations to more advanced AI solutions. And the best part, it's incredibly intuitive, even if you're a complete beginner. You'll find that getting started is quicker than you'd expect, and the platform even offers helpful tutorials to guide you along the way. But what about its power? OCode AI doesn't just stop at basic features, it's built to scale with you as your needs grow. It integrates seamlessly with other platforms, including your favorite CRMs and marketing tools, so you can connect everything you're already using. And if you're a developer looking for more advanced features, you won't be left behind. OCode AI allows you to integrate custom code as well. One of the things I found really impressive was how OCode AI handles data. It can analyze and process data from multiple sources, then generate insights and predictions that can drive your business decisions. Whether you're looking to predict sales trends or customer behavior, OCode AI does a fantastic job of delivering actionable insights. And here's a real kicker. OCode AI is totally free to try. Yes, you heard that right. If you're new to the software, you can test it out and see for yourself how it works before committing. Just hit the first link in the description and you'll be able to get started without any risk. Now, I know you're probably wondering about pricing and scalability. Don't worry, OCode AI offers flexible plans, so whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, there's an option that suits your needs and budget. They also provide outstanding customer support, which is crucial when you're diving into something as powerful as AI. So, to recap, OCode AI is a fantastic tool if you want to automate tasks, build AI solutions without coding, and scale your business with ease. It offers a free trial, an intuitive interface, and the ability to create powerful AI tools that can transform the way you work. Before you go, check out the link below for my personal recommendations on the best AI tools I've tested. I've tried thousands of AI platforms, and these are the ones that truly stand out. Give OCode AI a try. It's a must-have for anyone looking to stay ahead of the curve in the world of AI.